Hi, I'm Brian from Perlick, and today we're going to talk about how easy it is to upgrade your draft beverage system to Perlick faucets. In just a few easy steps, you can take your system to pouring more consistent, flavorful pours for its entire life. To begin, turn off all pressure to the beverage system. Now that we've turned off all the pressure to the lines and disengaged the couplers, we're going to bleed the line of any remaining beer. Using any faucet wrench, reverse thread to loosen and twist off to remove the faucet. Place the Perlick faucet onto the shank and spin the coupling ferrule left to secure the faucet, getting it hand tight, and finish securing with a faucet wrench. The last step is to re-engage your couplers and turn the gas back onto the line. Now your beverage system is set up to pour the best tasting beverages at maximum profitability. Learn more at perlick.com.